Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Zooz Zen 20 S2 power strip. So first we're just going to unbox it and then we're going to go through all the specs on the power bar itself and then we'll run a couple of tests. So here we got the manual, how to set it up, all the troubleshooting, all the do's and don'ts. Just put that over there. So let's start off by looking at the physical appearance of the power strip. It has a nice glossy finish, the Zooz branding. It also has a flat angle plug. When thinking of space constraints, it should give you a bit more flexibility because it is angled. On the back here, you can see that we have spots so we can wall mount this if we choose to. Now in terms of specs, we have 2 USB chargers. We have 5 controllable outlets that can hold up to 15 amps in total. Should you go over the 15 amps, it will cause this unit to shut down. So I believe what it'll do is it'll then cause this reset button to trigger and then we could just pop it back down and then we should be all good. It also serves as a range extender for your Z-Wave network. Then on the top here, we have the manual toggle buttons to turn on and off the outlets, as well as throw it into inclusion mode and to troubleshoot it as well. And lastly, using your smart hub, you'll be able to utilize the energy monitoring features of this device here. And it is ETL certified, so that is a big plus as usual. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this in and we're gonna go through the setup in smartthings. So now I got my power strip plugged in and now I'm going to begin the pairing mode here. So first I'm going to go into my SmartThings app and I'm going to add a device. I'm going to choose scan and then I'm going to go over here to the power plug and I'm going to rapidly press the channel 1 button. And now we can see they're all starting to flash here. And then it should appear hopefully very soon in our app. And here we go. So now we see that they're all showing up in here. Power strip, which should be your first outlet right here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna leave everything as is. We'll hit back here. Now I've gone ahead and I've hooked up a lamp to my power strip here. So now I'm going to scroll back down to where I just added my Zen power strip plugs. And here I'm going to go into my Zen power strip. And here we're going to see the status. We can put a timer on it. We can have a power on and off timer. Here we'll be able to see our power metering, our energy consumption, and then if we click over on the history tab, we'll be able to see all the different activity that's happened on the actual plugs. So I'm gonna go back. So now I'm gonna power cycle through all the different plugs here and we'll be able to see them light up. So we'll start off with the lamp here. And we can see that the lamp just turned on and it's refreshing right there. So then we'll go to power strip 2 and it just lit up. 3, 4, and 5. So I've synced this up already with my Google Home. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it a Google Home command and we're going to see it turn off the lamp. Okay, Google, turn off Zooz power strip.
Sure, turning off Zooz Zen power strip.
And there we go, it turned off very quickly. And now we'll just turn it back on. Okay, Google, turn on Zen power strip.
Sure, turning Zooz Zen power strip on.
So this is where I'm going to end the video off today. Be sure to check out the description for any links in regards to this power strip here from Zooz. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.